Welcome back, nail queens. I just want to let you know that today's video is very special because I have a giveaway coming, but if you want to skip the giveaway info, just skip to the timestamp here listed on the screen and it'll go straight into the manicure process part. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hi nail queens and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. Not only am I going to have like a cutesy, witchy, spooky, it's very cute in my opinion, a Halloween manicure for you today, I'm also going to be having a giveaway. So one of my favorite gel polish companies, Nail Addict LA, has offered to sponsor a giveaway, and it's so absolutely perfect because I just hit 12K here on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for that. I feel like I'm growing incredibly fast and I can't wrap my head around it. So I just want to thank you guys, and thank you Nail Addict LA for sponsoring this giveaway. So Miss Harvey says that there's 3 easy ways to enter into the giveaway, don't you, Miss Harvey? So the first way to enter into the giveaway is to follow Nail Addict LA over on Instagram. The second step is to follow them over on Facebook. Yeah, on Facebook, right? On Facebook. Okay, bye. And the third one is just leave a comment below with your favorite fall color, and that's it. On October 12th, I'm going to pick one lucky winner and I'm going to announce it on the community tab here on my YouTube channel. So be sure to check back on October 12th because you could very easily be the winner. Oh, and the prize that you would get is 5 gels of your choice, so that is so exciting. All the ones I'm going to be using here in today's video are going to be listed in the description box below in case you're the winner and you want to get those colors. They're going to be linked below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and roll footage. So I'm going to start off by doing a gel polish application. I put on my peel base, and I should put on gel base, but I think I skipped that. So these are the 3 colors that I'm using here today. So I'm going to kind of breeze through the gel polish application. I'm not a pro at this. I was never good at applying nail polish, which is why I need this silicone tool to help me with like some cuticle cleanup in case I get the gel polish on my skin. So I'm just going to put these 3 colors on my nails. This color is going to go on my ring finger and my thumb, and then on my index and my pinky is going to be the purple, and the orange is going to be in the middle finger. So I'm going to go through that application and I'll be back. So like I said, I'm not a pro at applying gel polish, but Nail Addict is my favorite brand of gel polish out there right now. I really love their colors, their color options, and how easy it is to use. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. So what I do when I apply my gel polish is I try to apply very thin coats. I've learned through trial and error that if your coats are a little too thick, after you're done curing, it actually won't fully cure. It kind of bubbles up and you'll get like some little air pockets. You can experience some lifting later on. So what I do after I apply each layer is I flash cure the nail in my nail lamp, and then I move on to the next color. And when I'm done with the entire layer, so all 5 fingers have 1 coat on them, then I fully cure for a fully 60 seconds in my nail lamp before applying a second layer to my nails. Because I'm very excited to get into the nail art process, I'm going to finish the second coat off camera. So now I have finished my second coat. I have not added a top coat because I'm going to stamp directly on this. So I have several different stamping plates I'm going to be using here today. This one is from Clear Jelly Stamper. I love it. It's giving me all the witchy vibes. Seeing all the different things here. You got snakes, you got eyeballs, you got like crystal balls. I'm just really into this. And if you follow Magia Negra Nails on Instagram, her account is very this vibe. So yeah, I'm going for that. I love it. I got this plate out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but I really love like the droopy like blood splatter stuff. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it though. I'm not sure if it's going to fit. And then I have this plate from MoYou London. I love that moon right there, the eyeballs. It's very vintage-like. They released this last year. I think it is part of like a vintage Halloween set that they had last year. So I'm just going to remove the blue film here right now so that I can start stamping. So I'm going to be using black and white stamping polish today. This black one is from Clear Jelly Stamper. For my stamps, I'm actually just going to stick with neutral simple colors because my base colors are very like poppin', very loud in my opinion. So I want to stick with simple neutral colors. That way it's not too distracting and you really see what's going on my nails. So the first snake that I picked up, I feel like it didn't pick up perfectly, so I'm trying it again. And sometimes that happens, sometimes it just doesn't pick up just right, and you just got to give it a second go. And I'm just using my lint roller to remove the excess stamps that I don't want on my nail. Just use something sticky like lint roller, tape, whatever. And I'm going to press this down onto my nail. And if you didn't notice in the beginning, this stamping plate is actually a layering plate. So Clear Jelly Stamper has a lot of layering plates. So I have the snake design, and right next to it you'll see there's like a little snake figure, and it's like little dots that you can put on top of the snake and to the left and the right of the snake. So I did that one in white. It doesn't really stand out too much because I am stamping it on such a light gel polish color, but you'll notice in a second how the white little dots on the that are on the spine of the snake actually pop up against the black. And if you don't know me, I just want to let you know that I'm really huge into vintage art, vintage clothing, vintage aesthetics. So what I'm going to do on my middle finger over the orange reminds me of like vintage Halloween motifs. So it's usually like an orange fabric. I have a skirt that literally is going to look like this. It's like you have orange fabric and it's more of a burnt orange, and then you have like black and white, mostly black designs, and they're very simple, like single layer designs, not three-dimensional. On top of it, I'm going to show you the skirt that I have as an example. So that's kind of the vibe I'm going for on this middle finger. It reminds me of that skirt. So the next design I'm doing is these eyeballs right here, and it's a layering design. So you have the eyeballs, and then right next to it is like all of these triangles. So I'm going to stamp the eyes in white and the triangles in black. Again, I'm keeping it very, very simple in terms of color, but the eyes have been really like huge on nail art lately. Have you heard of the evil eye symbol? So apparently it's believed to be a watchful gaze that is supposed to like protect us and keep us safe from harm. I don't know if this is true or if it's factual. I did want to point out that it is something that has been around for a long time. It's not just some cute nail art trend. There is a meaning behind the evil eye or the eyeballs that you might have seen on people's nails. I don't know if everyone puts it on their nails for that reason, but I just wanted to point that out. Have you ever heard of double stamping? It's basically a technique where you stamp two designs on the same stamper. One design is usually like a hollow, plain design, and the other one's more intricate and compact. So I'm going to stamp these stars on my clear stamper right here, and then I'm going to stamp that directly on top of this moon. And then when I flip my stamper over, my moon design is actually going to have stars inside of it. That is a great way on how to get it like a printed design inside of like a hollow, solid shape. And I learned about this technique last year when I saw this account here, Nailsteria. She posted this video over on Instagram, and I saw how she she doesn't do layering. She's doing double stamping. She's literally picking a pattern and then picking like a solid etched design, just like this one right here under the strawberry, and she's putting the pattern inside of the solid etched design. So it's a great way to put a pattern inside of a design if you don't have the ability to layer it. So thanks to that tutorial, I was able to basically put stars inside of this moon, and it just gives it like more of like an interesting look. I know it didn't look that great on the stamper, but when you put it on the nail, it looks so much better. So if you're gonna try out that technique, let me know. And for my thumb, I'm keeping it simple. I tried something else, it didn't work out, so I'm gonna keep it simple and just put the spider web on the corner of my thumb. So things are pretty much done here, except for I have to apply a top coat. Since I did gel polish, I'm going to top it off with a gel top coat. This is the Nail Addict No Wipe Gel Top Coat. And here it is, already all done and top coated. I really like this. Let me know in the comments below if you like this, if this is something you would do, and how you felt about like this new stamping technique that I just showed you guys that Nailsteria posted on Instagram. So this is my finished mani. Yay! I love it. I don't know why. I'm just so giddy. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. I really, really love this manicure. So if you do too, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe because I'd love to have you here. Oh, and if you haven't already, be sure to enter into the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I'll see you next week. Bye! Thank you.